Guys, so today is kind of cold out. It is 12 degrees now, but it's only going to be 17 today. So I'm trying to figure out an outfit situation that will actually work. So this is like the weirdest outfit I've ever worn. So I'm wearing my parachute pants and just this top and then a bolero. I'm going to curl my hair in a sec. This outfit doesn't even go, but it's literally like the only pants that I have. Guys, we are ready to roll and rumble. Roll and rumble. I'm not feeling the outfit choice, but we're gonna vibe with. Oh,
you swapped it again.
No. So I told you not to wear the headband.
But then my hair looks silly.
But that doesn't match that. Also, you have makeup on your shirt. So I just did some natural makeup to cover the pimps, but we're going out tonight, so I'm gonna fix my makeup tonight. Even though they all did full glam.
I didn't. I wouldn't call it full glam.
Is that not your full glam? Oh, but you're gonna do makeup again tonight?
Put eyeshadow on. Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Okay, let's go. Alright guys, we are going to get our first bagel in New York right now. We're going to Leo's, I don't know, Kate suggested it, so trying our first bagel.
In front of you, they keep picking and choosing, and that's my
We are waiting for our bagels right now. Jack's already got ours. This was, oh my god, it's coming, I think. We got our bagels! We're excited to try. Okay guys, bagel is ready. How is it?
It's really good.
Trying?
I will be.
Sorry, Mom. Okay guys, we're here to see Lady Liberty. There she is. We've seen her. Okay, let's go. No, I'm kidding. So, we're really enjoying this moment. We love our Lady Liberty. From Wall Street, there's the balls. Oh, Cipriani! Alright guys, so we just went into, I forget what it's called, but I just bought some chapstick and it was cake batter flavored and oh my god, it was so good. Okay, we're walking down Wall Street right now. Okay guys, we are back in the hostel. And the girls are just packing up their bags because we check out of this hostel today and we go to a hotel tomorrow. Basically tonight we are going to a pub. What are you doing? I'm trying to vlog. She's stuck. So basically tonight we are going to a pub. Shut up. We're going to an Australian pub to watch the AFL Grand Final. It starts at 12:30 a.m. New York time. I'll be up till at least like 4 in the morning, I feel like. Okay guys, so just got changed into my pajamas, but we are going to be trying the Halloween, the American candy right now, but we're going to do it on TikTok, so if you guys want to see that, I'll show you. Oh, you already saw what we're trying. I showed you guys yesterday, so go watch my TikTok. Currently 11:17. These are the ones that made it out from yesterday. I'm feeling.
I made it.
Yeah, Jackie didn't really make it. But besides the fact that I've had 4 hours sleep, I'm pretty fine. But I need Starbucks really, really bad. Oh, I need a tea really, really bad. So that's what we're doing today. My tea, guys, I had to get them to remake it, which I hate being that bitch. But it was like she filled like half of the coffee cup with tea. I don't think Americans like do English breakfast teas. I don't think it's common. I could be wrong though. But the girl remade it. She was really lovely. So all good now. I'm super happy. Where are we going? Williamsburg. We are here. They have birria tacos, which is literally my favorite thing ever, but I'm hoping they have an acai stand, and they probably don't, but like, girl can hope. Kate is really upset because she literally came here just for, what are they called? Mozzarella sticks, and they don't have mozzarella sticks here. I thought there was an acai bowl place, but it's not acai, so I'm really upset about that. Jackie is getting a pork roll, a banh mi. Is that what they're called? They have Bowery buns here. They also have Brazilian food, which looks really fun. I feel like you should get Brazilian food. I don't even know what Brazilian food is, to be honest. Got her banh mi. She looks really happy. Did you figure out what you want? It's Brazilian food. Oh, I don't actually like churros, but yeah. Oh, but they got salted caramel on them. They do look good. Guys, what are we gonna get? Poutine. Look how good that looks. I have not been home in so long, and this looks amazing. We have the Tassie, the Gold Coast. Oh, look, classic is Gold Coast. Vegemite is Melbourne. I got some. What did you get? Cheese fries. I'm so happy right now. I have some poutine, duck poutine.
Duck fat.
Why is there luggage in our room? Oh my god, is there a TV? Wow. Wow. I love what you've done with the place. Good morning, Kate. I'm gonna pretend that says Kate. Guys, this is the view of our new room. Oh, it's so. Oh my god, that's literally where I want to get a photo. So gorge. Jackie got a new drink. It's very small. Okay, ready?
It's not bad.
I just want to go to salad. I am literally so excited because there's a gym here. I haven't gone to a gym in 4 months. Guys, I'm so excited. There's literally no one here. So I'm not even done my workout. I'm halfway through. I did my normal workout that I do at home, and I had to stop halfway through because I'm dying, which is so fine. I literally haven't worked out in 4 months. Like, it's totally normal not to be in the same fitness level as I was before. Guys, I just finished my workout. So I did like an hour, my hour workout, and honestly, that felt like the longest hour of my life, which obviously is because I haven't worked out in so long. It's just obviously hard to get used to going from working out every single day to like haven't worked out in 4 months. But I think I'm just gonna do a quick ab routine while I'm here. Might as well get it done. And then I'll go back to the hotel. Emily is in bed, and Kate and Jackie just went out and got some pizza. I had a salad before. I don't know if I told you. I went to Sweet Green and got a salad. And I'm still quite hungry, so I think I'm gonna go down to the supermarket and get some more food. We don't have like a kitchen here, obviously, because it's a hotel. And I really just want my porridge that I bought, but we don't have a microwave. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for lunch yet. But I meant for dinner, sorry. I did a 6-minute ab workout and a 6-minute full body stretch after my workout, and I literally feel so freaking good. Alright guys, I'm just like walking the streets. I've had a shower and I'm just walking the streets of New York City by myself just to get some groceries because I'm really hungry. I don't know if it's like safe. I'm kind of scared. I think this is just like being a girl and like what you have to deal with. Like, I wonder if I was a guy I would even think of this. It's not even like though, so I'm fine. Like, I'm literally just walking to Trader Joe's. Alright guys, I'm back out of Trader Joe's. I just got some stuff. I am super happy. I actually haven't like spent any money today besides on food, like groceries and stuff. So I feel like I set a budget while I was in New York of 100 USD a day, and I've not been spending it. I actually don't know how much I've spent today, but I don't think I would have spent 100. Oh my god, either a rat just ran past or a squirrel. Oh my god, I hope it's a squirrel. Hello you guys, it's currently 7:49. It's currently 7:49. I'm gonna go down to the lobby right now because I went to grab a shower and they don't have enough towels in our room. They only gave us 3 for some reason. So yeah, I just did a workout and I actually feel so much better. Am I going up? Alright you guys, I'm back from the shower. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and get ready today. I think we're going to the Met. Alright guys, I just finished getting ready. I've just chucked on some BB cream. I'm gonna give you guys an outfit of the day. So I have these pants from Urban Kookai. My boobs have like grown since being here, so it barely fits, but like that's okay. This is, I can't remember the brand name. Alright guys, so we are up and we are going to get a Starbucks. Kate went to another coffee store. Jackie wants Starbucks. and Emily's still getting ready. So yeah, I just chucked on some BB cream and I'm just in my outfit, but I've just put a jacket on because it's still a bit frosty this morning. I'm gonna get an acai bowl, and Emily has never had an acai bowl before, so there's one like right next to our thing. I don't know how good it will be, like it could be really shit. So I don't know if this is like a good place for her to try one, but we're gonna do it anyway and see how it goes. Guys, we're getting our first, or your first acai. Are you excited? I'm so excited. I know, I'm starving. Alright, have a bite. Do you like it? Yay! Guys, we're getting to Levain. Is that the line? So we got the cookie and we reviewed it on my TikTok, and honestly, it wasn't good. Like, it's just like not the chocolate we're used to in Australia. It was just quite like bittery, I don't know, but we didn't really enjoy. I haven't even eaten mine, and that's saying a lot. Alright guys, we're now at the Met, so obviously have to get the iconic Met photo. Guys, we're back in the hotel, and Jackie's gonna do a haul of the stuff she got because I influenced her to get all of it. So that's just the influencer I am. So the first thing she got was the, oh, you can do it. Sorry, I just talked over you.
What did I get?
The Croesus concealer. It's like the #1 concealer at the moment. Everyone loves it. Are you okay?
Just fell.
And we just fell off the bed. Croesus concealer. Croesus. Everyone on TikTok loves this. Then she got
The blush.
the Rare Beauty blush. I have this blush but in a different color, but this is the most popular and I just couldn't get it. This one. I will support Selena Gomez till the sun goes down. Is that the saying? What?
Huh? For Charlotte Tilbury.
I also told her to get this because
I'll do your makeup tomorrow for your birthday.
You terrify me.
You
So-
do the base?
I don't have my voice on this. So
am going to, so I want heaps of makeup, but I don't know how much money I have left, so I'm getting all my makeup at the end. But I will be buying this, and I also made Emily get this, not made her, because this is the lip liner I want in Iconic Nude. It's apparently amazing, and Charlotte Tilbury lip liners are really good. And then she got the Refi brow thing because I'm also getting that in a few days.
Because I
told her to. So basically, you got all of these because I
so
told you to.
influenced.
Good morning everyone, we have gotten up and we're in the lobby right now, but we're about to walk to breakfast. We're going to Banter. It is an Australian cafe, so it'll be really good obviously because because no one does brunch like Australians, and my favourite place is closed for 3 days. What day does it come back up? It is Kate's birthday today. She's turning 30. Wow. She's turning 28. But she does not like to be in the vlogs. So, guys, we're at Brekkie. So I am ordering the falafel bowl. It comes with 3 falafels, pickled onions, avocado, cucumber, whipped garlic feta, green salad, romesco za'atar dressing. Can I please get the falafel bowl?
sure.
Can I please get the 2 eggs any style? Can I get them poached? And then can I get avocado, bacon and mushrooms?
Avocado bacon mushroom.
Please.
Can I just get the big breakfast?
Yeah.
And can I get the golden folded eggs with the sourdough?
That was brave. She just remembered that without writing it down. Guys, breakfast is served. Guys, we're walking across the Brooklyn Bridge right now. They have like little jewelry stands and stuff. That is the Brooklyn Bridge. We're walking across it. Okay guys, I don't even know what this is called, but we're in literally a room full of mirrors. And we have a gorgeous view. Just got my acai bowl. Hello you guys, don't mind the sunnies. I didn't realise they were on my head, they're not even mine. I'm walking back to the hotel right now. The girls have gone out to a bar or whatever, but because I'm under 21, I can't get in or go, which is fine. They're just celebrating Kate's birthday, which is really great, but I have just picked up a salad from Sweet Green and I'm heading back to the hotel and I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Honestly, my whole body is sore. I think it may be from the gym, I'm not really sure. There are so many snacks in our hotel right now that I've been picking out on them, that I low-key feel sick, but they just taste so good, so I keep eating them. Don't really know what that's about, but I got a different salad today. Well, I got the same salad, but I went for a different dressing. I've been getting ranch, which I wouldn't usually get a ranch dressing on my salads, but like all the other ones didn't really seem that nice, and usually I wouldn't even get dressing on my salad. I would just get feta, but they didn't have feta. Like, who doesn't have feta? Honestly, it's disappointing. One is a pesto vinaigrette. I like pesto, like, don't get me wrong, but I one time threw up pesto, and you know when you throw something up and then it's like tainted whenever you want to eat it again? That's kind of how I feel with pesto, so hopefully it's fine. I get in, or someone's getting a tattoo right there. Ready? Oh. I'm going to take off my makeup, so I'm using Jackie's makeup wipe, so really sorry about that, Jackie. Also, I don't usually use makeup wipes because they're really bad for your skin. I'm just being really lazy right now. Currently Monday, we leave on Thursday, so I don't actually know what we're doing tomorrow. I think actually we booked Broadway tomorrow. I think we're seeing Wicked. I really wanted to see Aladdin, like really badly, but the other girls didn't, or they've already seen Aladdin, so I didn't want to go by myself. I really want to try Joe's Pizza tomorrow because I've heard really good stuff about that. Alright guys, got changed into pajamas. I've got the Mentalist on and I'm eating my salad. The pesto is good. I think I prefer the ranch, honestly, just because it's bringing back those memories. Honestly, I haven't watched The Mentalist since I've been in New York, so I feel good.